Hi everyone, today I'm gonna be pulling for Ditraina, the Witch of Salvation. And not only that, I really want Canary or Leon as well. So let's hopefully they come as well. And yeah, I would like to apologize about the video being late to upload, like 2 weeks late. I think her banner is gone now. But I procrastinated a lot. And also, I had dreaded a lot of this video, as you will see. Anyway, let's try the first 10 ball luck. Maybe it will work again like it worked soon, yeah. So yeah, the plan goes as follow. I'm gonna be pulling until I get Ditraina. If I get her like super early, I'm gonna think about it. But if I get her super late, I'm going to Biddy and I'm gonna be the Canary because I really want her, and she's my other main goal for this, and also because the Sacred Blaze banner, it's hard. So yeah, nothing in the Dimble. That's fine. Let's see the odds. Okay, it's a little bit boosted for the other Sacred Blaze, especially the 5-star, and of course the main the featured character Ditraina has regular 1.2. As you can see now, I'm gonna be adding all the singles, making it look like a temple. So it's easier to watch. I've spent like 2 hours pulling. And that's just pulling, not thinking and doing math and stuff, seeing my ruby counts. And of course I'm here in Secret Tree, Ditraina's place, to conjure all the luck to summon her. To summon the witch herself. Also, yeah, I would like another, like any other Sacred Blaze banner. Even the one I have, like Xenia dupes, great, because his accessory are great. Odette A1, that's fine as well. TD, I have her as well. Or any other that I don't have. And also resetting the log. And of course, like all the rings will not be as important because it's 4-star or above. So most of the rings will glow and stuff. So I just added it out. Except it's like a special one. If it's a golden, yeah. Until now, like nothing going on 40 in. That's fine. I'm just hopefully like anything. Until now, it's only been 4 stars. I'm trying to get nervous, but that's fine, I'm ramping on my luck here. Listen. Oh, it's golden. What's golden? Hopefully Ditraina, or Canary, Leon maybe? Any one of them? I think that's her. I think that... Yeah! Oh, her sprite looks so beautiful. The background, her look, love it.
聖火神の指輪を持つ者よ。お主のことは知っておるぞ。世は旧姓の魔女ディトレイナ。本白の言い方をすれば学者となろうか。お主の旅を手助けしてやろう。 平服してシャイを示せ。
As you say, Ditraina, I gotta like. This is pretty early, so I don't know. Should I continue or not? Should I or not? I really want Canary as well, and I was waiting for this opportunity to go all the way. So, should I stop? Should I not? After further thinking, like I took an hour of just thinking, calculating everything. You know what? I'm going in. I don't not care because I like them both. And with this, I guarantee Ditraina, so I can go all the way and get Canary as well. And I do have the ruby forts, and so I decided to do a multi here. just to test it, and hopefully my luck will be as good as the singles. So yeah, the problem I have is the LAL Collab. I'm worried that I will not have enough rubies for it, but you know, that's for me future to deal about it. Now just I want to get Canary and then dupes of Ditraina. Okay, the multi is not that good. That's fine, that's fine. Let's continue with the singles. It's golden. Ditraina? Canary? Canary, please, Canary. Come on. Sorry, stop. Yes! It's a dupe. It's the first dupe. Ditraina. Nice. I want another copy. Just one. Another one so I can have for A2. That's the goal, honestly. Because I want two of her light abilities and two of her dark abilities. So I can, you know, just have her on it all the time and just go about it, not having to change abilities all the time. That's very nice. It's going well. I haven't got any other character except the feature now. Hopefully I will spook some sacred plays. Oh, Loomis, speak of the devil. You're not a sacred place though, so but a dupe is a dupe, right? Alright. Oh, if I got Leon or Canary, I can bury the other one, and then I'll have all the characters that I want from the sacred place. And the thing is, I'm bowling now because I don't want to bowl any more the sacred place because this banner. Oh, Jamila, hello there. The dupes are coming up. They are coming up nicely. Hopefully, I can spook like sacred place. Oh, 5 stars. Sophia, hi there. You're not the one I was asking for, but you always will come. Hello. Oh my god, 100. Way done. Let's go. Let's do a moldy. Let's try it out. Maybe this time will be better than the previous ones. Something, buddies. Please. As always, some all these they have a crush on me. Alright. Let's continue with the singles. Oh my god, a golden yee! Is it another dupe of Ditraina? It is another dupe of Ditraina. Yee! This is A2. Now I am very happy. If I go all the way without getting any other Ditrainas, I'm fine with it. I got my A2. And also her accessories is really good. So I don't mind A4 right off the bat. Like her accessory gives like it's a static elemental attack, but also it gives elemental damage 30%. Like it caps out all the element, so you can basically make anyone elemental DPS theoretically. So it's really good. It's, you know, a general one. So now I'm changing. I'm putting Ditraina here because, you know, I forgot to do that, so I can bring all the dupes in. Come on, any other sacred players? There's someone, some that I miss. I mean, I forgot to put TT in there as well, but I also have her, so she's This count as a sacred place. Team. Oh, it's golden. Hopefully. Canary. I want canary, please. Okay, it's another monster. Hi there. And she's not like boosted. Wow. Two copies of the same standard character. Nice. Hey, I do visit too. No, I'm not gonna complain. Oh, speaking of, hi Nanya. Wow, they really are coming in fast. Come on, canary. Now my main goal is a canary too. Hello, Nicholas. Hi. Oh, Nicholas' successor is really good. I think this is her A2, so I don't mind it at all. Oh, it's another content. Oh my god, they are coming in fast. Is it gonna? Oh. Is it Tressa? Hi. Hi, he spooked me. I thought... It's fine, it's fine. Come on. You are being good to me, like... I'll let you be just a little bit. Oh, God. I want your sister. Please give me your sister, come. You know what? I know how to get her. I'm gonna put you here. And I'm gonna name the day in the team, you know, the stupid pun. Canary, please come home. But I couldn't do it, so I just did the canary come home. Oh, come on, I have your brother. You don't want to see your brother. You like your brother, right? Come on. Canary. Now this is turned up to be a canary phone video. I mean, I'm so close to it. I just want it. Canary so I can, you know, Betty Leon and just be done with this secret place. Then, hi Corn. Hello there. Is this the secret place banner? I haven't seen any character from it. I only have seen Stanter and Ditraina. But that's, you know, I'm not complaining at all. They are like really helping me because the first 100 ball or so was dry except for 2 Ditrainas, and but now they're coming in. I don't mind that. Oh. Yeah, I'm going all the way either way, but hopefully I'll get 90. You know what? I'm gonna finish it off here. I'm gonna bowl. For that, I'm gonna change my team. I'm gonna conjure the Ditraina, Witch, Power, and I'm gonna bowl here. I'm gonna finish it. It's done with. Oh, it's. Oh my god, it's gone. It's gonna be. Canary, please. Canary? Ditraina? Anyone? Huh? Leon, come on. So I can put it on. It's not even the 5 stars, it's a 4.5. Oh my god. Who's here? Who's here? Hello? Hi? You know what? I'll take it. I didn't have Liana. Hi. Finally a sacred place unit. That's the one I don't have. I'm okay with it. Nice. The only other 2 I don't have is the merchants. Dorothea and Leon. I'm fine with it. Hi, Liana.
こんにちは。神官のリアナと申します。あなた方のご活躍はお聞きしております。私も協力させていただけないでしょうか。神官の端くれとして少しはお役に立てるはずです。どうぞよろしくお願いします。
Oh, how sweet, isn't she? I mean, Liana and Renew will make a great team, just saying. So let's go and do it, you know. Let's get our birdie girl. Come home, Canary. Hey there. And you know what, Leon? I'm planning to cut Barticia, so yeah. Anyway.
Canary, 健在。
Why took you long enough?
正義の美少女義族伝説はここから始まるのよ。
Her sprite is really beautiful and colorful.
待たせたわね。最近売り出し中の美少女義族カナリーよ。って知らない？まだ活躍が足りてないのかな。ならあなたたちについていくわ。私の活躍たくさん見せてあげる。
Oh my god. I love her personality so much. She's really quirky. So here they are, my sacred blaze unit together. You know what? It's been really awesome. One session. I'm not complaining at all. I got a bunch of dupes and like 4 Ditrainas. So like one short of A4, but I got a lot of dupes. That when 6 months from now, I'm getting that A4. It's really nice, and I get Ditraina and Canary, and on top of it, Liana. So I'm really happy. Yeah, it took a lot of my rubies, and I have to, you know, recover from it. And she's the only character that I have A3. So yeah, I just love her. She's the worst salvation. Hey, look at her being A3. That's nice. So yeah, that's the video. Hopefully the LAL Collab will have a guaranteed bait pull, so I will not struggle with the rubies. I also plan to pull for second round. Let's see about that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully your luck was even better than mine, and good luck with future pulls. Bye!